GM amazing legends, welcome to another Yaks video. And this has been popularly requested, and I'm just going to do this real quick. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to interact with the Abstract Testnet. Okay, so for now the activities that you can mainly do is connect and natively bridge and relay bridge too. And I'm going to be showing you that real quick. So first I need you to go to on your browser abs.xyz, and once you do that, you're going to be taken to the Abstract website, the homepage. So you're just going to come and click Testnet Live. So from here, it's going to be quite easy for you. So what you're going to do, once you're going to be taken to this connect to Abstract. So I'd advise you use MetaMask. So once you use MetaMask, I'm just going to, I've connected before, so that is why it was quite easy. Okay, good. So connect account and it will be connected. So if you're not connected before, you will have to authenticate and it will connect. So it's automatically connected to the Abstract Testnet. So what you're going to do is, before this whole thing, you're going to first get your wallet address. Just going to copy it here, get your wallet address, and I advise, please, you have to make a new MetaMask wallet for this whole testnet stuff to make it easier. If you can look here, you see that the name of this is a totally new wallet named Abstract Tutorials. This is the one I normally use for the testnet, but this one here is what I created for this video. So you create a new one. So once you do that, when you connect, the network is automatically going to change to Abstract Testnet. If it is not here already, it will be added. You see where you can either manually add it by filling these details, or that's like by clicking this add a custom network, or it will automatically add. You just follow the instructions and it will add there for you. So but the main thing is, when you create a MetaMask wallet, here is going to be Ethereum mainnet, but once you connect this, it's going to now change from the Ethereum mainnet to Abstract Testnet, but with the same address. Okay, so now we are going to bridge, but before we do any form of bridging or relay bridging or whatnot, we need faucets. Should I say, are like fake tokens that you use for transactions. So I would want you to first get Ethereum Sepiola faucets. So this is how it looks like, but what you just type is Ethereum yeah, Sepolia faucet. I want you to type that. You see a list of where websites you can get faucets from, but this was the one that worked well for me. Ethereum Sepiola faucet, the one from Google Cloud. It's usually going to be the first. Obviously it's Google suggests themselves first. So what you just do is you come here to wallet address, paste your wallet address and click okay. So once you do that, you just click it and your tokens are going to be sent on their way, which will just be in a few seconds, and good, testnet tokens are sent. So now to confirm it, I'm just going to come again to MetaMask, and if you change this network from Abstract Testnet to, usually this place is closed, so if you click show test network and you click Sepiola, good, you should see the fake tokens have been set. So I'm just going to send it back to the normal Abstract Testnet. So now another thing you need Abstract Testnet fake tokens, so like Abstract faucets. So now to get to this website, on the same website, the doc from the test from the main website where it came here, you just come over here and you see faucets. So once you click that, you click this first one, triangle faucet. It will not require you signing up and all that. So you just come, paste the same address you click request 0.001 ETH and just have to solve this captcha to verify. That's literally the highest you're going to do on this page. So once you've solved the captcha, you click request 0.01 ETH and it's going to be a success. So if we come here and check, you will see that your abstract test tokens have been sent. Good. So that is it, 0.01 ETH. So now you can see on the Abstract Testnet we have tokens, and on Sepiola we have tokens. So now it's time for us to bridge. So firstly, we are going to do the native bridge. So you just come here to bridges, under tooling you come to bridges and click abstract native bridge. So once you click that, you're going to be taken here where you will connect your MetaMask. I'm just going to log out from this one and connect it again. So connect that and good. So now we're going to be bridging from Ethereum Sepiola testnet to Abstract Testnet. So Ethereum Sepiola to Abstract Testnet. Also, another thing, if let's say you try to type the figures and it shows insufficient, you just keep refreshing, your ETH balance is going to change to the 0.05. So now we're going to be doing 0.001. Since we have 0.05, we're trying to use some percentage of it. So once you type the figure to Abstract Testnet and then you click continue, and then wallet one, make sure your wallet blah blah blah, I understand, and then you click bridge now. So you have to confirm this transaction in MetaMask. So you just give it a few seconds, MetaMask will pop up and then you confirm, and this is going to take 14 minutes. Normally it takes 24 hours, but you guys are lucky. So while we are waiting for this to be done, we are going to go over to the relay bridge. So in the relay bridge, it's almost the same thing, but this time you're going to be bridging the abstract test tokens or the abstract faucet for or to other test tokens. So when you come to the interface, you're going to first connect your wallet. You choose MetaMask and your wallet will be connected. I'm sorry, I just need to confirm and be sure that it is the same. Okay, no, it isn't. This is the old one I was using, but okay, still I can still use this for my illustration. So what you're going to do is you can decide if it's from the outside, or should I say foreign the foreign faucet to abstract. You do this, you just click this arrow and it will switch. If you're bridging from abstract to foreign ones, it will switch. So we're going to do from abstract. So I have 0.0025 on my abstract token, so I'm just going to be doing 0.0001 and then to fetch the best price for me. And yeah, click trade, confirm it. Just give it a sec and confirm. I'm just giving it a few seconds. It will be reflected on your page. So now in this case, it gave me Bob faucets. Okay, and in most cases, before you see your faucets, you have to add the network, just like how we did for abstract. You have to add this network too for you to be able to see it. Like here, let me show you. You see how here we have abstract and then we have BOB. So for me to be able to see these tokens, I had to add this network for me to be able to see it, and it was an automatic stuff, so you're really good and covered. So yeah, that is how to do the abstract native bridge and then the relay bridge, and also to get faucets. Please, if you want to get more, please do make sure you give me a follow, and yeah, just follow me and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and do have an amazing day.